Hello there everybody, welcome back for another video with your in the Finn's crafting corner. Still working on that intro. Today we are taking a quick look at my Hellblasters, and you might be wondering, but what's so special about these? Well, I have three different types of magnetization going on with these guys. First, let's start with this guy here. This is what I call, well, he's a Hellblaster. He only has the ability to swap from the heavy heavy plasma incinerator to the assault one, and yeah, so easy swap like that. So you can swap in between the backpack and this one, and then we have another type of guy. This one is intercessor type, or that's what I would call him, because he's actually, the weapon also comes off along with this backpack, so in theory he can be attached with some sort of what do you call it, intercessor bolt rifle, etc., with both of the arms. I'm just using the melter gun from my 30k unit as a show off what he can do. And then I have what I call the sergeant type, who also can, oh yeah, I should point out that this guy, the intercessor, can also swap between, they all can swap between heavy plasma incinerators and the other one. It seems like I broke the cable already, but I can fix that later. Then we have the sergeant type that can also take away the backpack and the cable, so he can be also attached with the, just put it over there, the attachment. His gun and his hands can be removed, so this guy can also be equipped with something like the weapons and the arms of the other units, and if I so desire, I could also attach him with the dual-linked heavy bolter if I should the need arise. So just wanted to have a quick look at how I have magnetized it. I guess I could show you that the sergeant type has magnets on both arms and then one on the backpack, because this is how the power pack, or the extra additional power pack, attaches. You just put it there. Sorry, a bit hard on the cam. Goes there, no problem. There's one magnet here. Some of these I misaligned a little bit, so I had to trim around. Then you just take whatever piece is required and swap it around. So there's also a magnet in there on the magazine hold, so I can swap between the assault pack and the cable, and they all just snap together fine like that. So that's how I magnetize my intercessors. As you can see, they're still work in progress, but this is the most magnetization they will have. Some of them will have this full capability. A few will have this gun swap ability, and the other few seem to have got a different kind of cable in their hands. Will have this fixed position, so they will always be Hellblasters. But yeah, if you want to go ahead and magnetize your Hellblasters, this is one way of doing it, just showing off mine. Overly excessive, no reason to really do this, but I figured, you know what, I might not always run full Hellblasters, so I wanted the option to play around, as usual. Overly complex is the way to go with me. Anyways, until next time guys, see ya!